Guys, hi, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing great, you're awesome because I am feeling very motivated and happy about today's painting session. It's been few days I haven't been painting. I was a little bit occupied, so even though I was not painting, I was doing a little bit of practice with the trees, especially for this painting. I was practicing the pine trees and I'm so happy I finally get the time to sit down and paint. So yeah, I am taking out all my brushes, the colors. My primary color is Payne's Gray from Winsor Newton, which is one of my favorite colors. Andesite green from Daniel Smith, Piemontite Genuine from Daniel Smith. And I got this dot card, which is a freebie, along with some art purchases I got, and I'm so happy with the colors. These are the granulating colors from Daniel Smith. Some of the colors I'll be using today. The colors which I will be particularly using are Piemontite Genuine. I don't know how to spell this, but yeah, I will not say again. I will put it down in the description. Other than that, I'm using Moonglow, Mayan Blue Genuine, Purpurite Genuine. So these are the colors which I'll be using. I have mixed a little bit of Mayan Blue with the Payne's Gray, and I have covered the entire area. So this is the sky, and we are going down with a gradient wash. Hey guys, one more thing, please do not get overwhelmed by all these colors which I've called out. If you don't have, just mix and match few of the colors which you already have in your palette and you will get a beautiful painting. Trust me, I promise on that. So yeah, I had this dot card lying here, so I just used them. Whatever is available with you, go ahead, just mix and see which colors matches with each other and go ahead and use them. Once the sky part is done and we have the layer dried properly, I am going ahead with the mountain this time. In the start of the painting, I used the light pencil markings to get the placement of the mountain where I want the mountain to be placed. So I'm just following those markings and I'm going freehand with the mountain. So I am using the dry technique, so I'm just having little bit of pigment and water, very little bit of water, and I am dragging the brush along the paper and I'm getting these beautiful textures here. So you just watch me how I'm doing and you will get an idea how to do it. You can use any kind of brush for these pine trees. Just one thing to remember, the bristle of the brush should not be soft. It should be a little bit harder, and yeah, it must have a snap to it. So I am using multiple brushes for this pine trees. I was just testing out which one works better. So this one is from Princeton, and it is Velvet Touch, which is a little stiffer, which is on a little stiffer side. So yeah, I was also using a silver brush. So it's up to you, just try and test whichever suits you better. But while looking for the brush, just be careful that it's not soft. For the final details, I go with my usual splatters. I have done a layer of paint spray splatters followed by gouache splatters, and I try it up everything, and the final moment is here to peel off the masking tape. I hope you liked today's video. You learned or you got a little bit of idea from my painting. It would be great if you could, follow along or draw it up later and tag me and let me know how it was. Also guys, if you could put down in the comments and let me know if you are a beginner or you have been painting for some time, what kind of content you would like to see in this channel, if I'm doing a landscape, if anything else you want me to show. So let me know. I would love to know what you think. Okay guys, it's already late. I will leave you here and I'll go to bed now. Have a good day ahead and yeah, thank you so much. Bye.